Mish, how are you? Oh, can't complain. I'm actually on my way to Joburg right now, and that's why I'm calling. I wanted to ask you the biggest favor. Yeah. So what are you doing right now? Nothing. Cool. Can you pull in for me?
You promised me to tell if there's anything haunting you. You leave without saying where you're going or where to. Ooh, yeah. I can never take away our story now. And I know you feel it too, our story is too precious now. Yeah. We come too far to waste our story. It's our story now. Let's go.
Hi guys, so we have someone special to introduce you to today. Tash is not going to be with us, but I have an amazing friend of mine, Michelle. Hello. So we are going to go to...
How do I know this?
I know. Sorry. Okay.
Yes.
See, I sometimes get tongue-tied. Yeah, it's down here. Ta-da! And here we are.
Experiential cocktail kitchen and brandy bar.
We're ready and we're excited.
I'm really not ready, but here I am.
Okay.
Oh boy, you got me really good. It's up to you. Treat me like you should. The music's something you adore. Now I'm looking everywhere for you. 'Cause I need another dance. We need another chance.
Cause and Effects is an experimental cocktail kitchen and brandy bar inspired by Cape Town's fynbos, mountains and ocean. 3 key ingredients that they use to come up with their drinks and their meals. Everything is very natural and simple. So you have like a beautiful sign at the top here that is basically me in a sign. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have the Aperitivo sharing board between the two of us. We have the pickled red pepper, marinated olives, Mediterranean spring rolls, fresh ricotta and cucumber dip, cured ham, salami, some marinated octopus. I'm down to try it out. What do you want to have first? We're gonna have octopus. Okay, let's try.
That was actually a hard decision. I'll have the lady tentacles.
I'm gonna try some of this ciabatta bread. I'm gonna make you something magical. And I'm using my hands, I don't care. Try that, let me know what you think.
But now, am I going to be judging their culinary skills or yours?
Well, taste all the flavors, see how you feel. See what tickles the fancy, as they say. So the platter is a really cool idea. So I mean, like we did for Mish's birthday, we actually bought like 2 platters, and you can share it amongst your friends, and it's a good way to have different varieties.
Variety is the spice of life. I surprisingly really like the pickled red pepper. I wasn't, out of everything on the plate, I was probably least excited about that, but it's really good.
I've actually never had
Me neither.
pickled red pepper. Okay,
It's a little bit vinegary, but also kind of sweet. It's really good.
So remember when we came here for your birthday? Vaguely.
We came here for my last birthday. We basically had a table in the corner, a bunch of girls, and they treated us as though we were the only table in the place. Supplied us with free tequilas, enough for this one.
And for this one.
No, it was just really good. The service was great, the atmosphere was great, and they really made us feel welcome, and that's why we keep coming back. Well, I keep coming back, and she does sometimes. Here are your enjoy.
Okay. So this is the slider option. Basically what we have on the inside is chicken, tzatziki, and pickled cucumber. Okay, take one. Look at that little sushi sticks. Okay, so we got some pickles, we got a bit of mayo, we got some chicken. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. It's like a crunch. It feels like it's a sweet but soury chicken. I can't explain it. You gotta have some.
Sweet but soury. Good. It's kind of soy saucy, which is my favorite.
Like an Asian style. It's like crunchy, then you get into like the soft with the sauce and the mayo.
Crunchy on the outside, juicy on the inside. It's like McDonald's fries and a KFC fries had a baby.
Yeah.
I know.
Very good. I'm actually starting to get full. And we've shared a platter and sliders. So I mean, it's a perfect place to come, chill with your friends, have some drinks, have some snacks. So basically what they are known for is their cocktail. And every cocktail you get is different and unique and amazing. It's an experience in itself. And that's what they want.
This is the membrane. With this drink, it's supposed to teach you courage and patience. Do you mind if I touch a little of your straw?
Go for it.
Okay. Courage, because you don't know what's underneath this layer. And patience, because it's going to take 3 to 5 minutes to dissolve. So what you're going to do is you're going to give it like some TLC and you're going to stroke it. You're going to help it like dissolve. You can just, you don't have to, but it's just a part of that experience. So, yeah. Enjoy.
Thank you. Stick it in, stick it in. Yeah, I want to see. You can't just, you have to love it. Yeah, but you have to love the cocktail. Oh. What is this one? There's another one coming.
Your drinkatarian.
Drinkatarian.
Yeah. Basically, yeah. The front is your drink. The back is not. Don't drink.
It tastes like, I can taste like a bit of cucumber.
Yeah, it's cucumber.
It is cucumber.
I think there's gin as well. Do you feel courageous and patient?
I do. I don't feel patient though because I may have stabbed it in.
First say engel op my tong gepipeerd.
Schleem Afrikaans come out.
Oh, we're gonna have subtitles for that. There's like Jurassic Park happening in here.
What is in this drink?
So we've got gin in that drink, then we use some fennel syrup, lemon and lime juice, a bit of Aperitivo Board, and lychee eau de vie.
I think that might be
Shake it and top up with soda.
lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. I mean, each cocktail is so unique and different that I actually want to try every single one of them just to see how they come out. So it shows what the 4 ingredients that they actually use. So they get stuff from the ocean, the fynbos, fynbos. I think we had really good choices tonight. 2 very good choices. Okay, this is so exciting.
It's very hot.
Look at it! They have the watermelon dipped in the yuzu, which is a tonic, with cream cheese and then like a little bit of a herb on top. Like you would never think. It's weirdly nice.
No, it's really nice.
It is really good.
It doesn't taste anything like I would expect it to taste though.
Exactly.
It tastes almost more savory.
Yeah, I think it's because of the cream cheese that they put on top.
I'm so full and that was still so good.
I know. It was amazing. So basically, that was our experience here at Cause and Effect. How did you find your time, Mitch?
It was really enjoyable. The cocktails were great. The food was too good. It'll be a while till I eat again. But no, it was really, really good. And I would definitely come back again. And
Yay, with me!
yes,
Ah, thank you so much for coming on to the show.
thank you
That's
for
lovely.
letting me attempt to fill Tash's very big shoes.
But anyway, yeah, so it was a great time here tonight. Awesome place to be with friends, of course. And yeah, let us know where you want to see us next, where you want to see Mish again. Hey, you never know. How's it? How are you?
Like a car there.
Okay, bye now. Cheers. Toodles noodles. Where's the banana?
Ew.
Don't touch the banana.